Hello, there we go again. Have you ever come across this kind of question? I mean this, take a look. Show that sine squared a half phi is equal to a half into bracket 1 minus cos phi, and hence find the exact expression for sine 15. Okay, here's the question, and here is the solution. Yeah, first of all, I'd like you to recall this concept before we start solving. That concept of compound angles, where you have cos, you have cos 2, let me use 2a. Okay, you have this kind of expression. Under compound angle formula, you can write this one as cos a plus a, which equals cos a minus sine a, then sine a. Okay, then from there, which is equal to cos squared a minus sine squared a. So when you have cos 2a, this is what you will get. Okay, this is what we get. Okay, let's make sine the subject. Okay, from this one, we know that this one is the same as writing this cosine here. It's the same as writing 1 minus sine squared a, then minus again sine squared a, which gives us 1 minus this is 2, then sine squared a. Remember, this is cos 2a. So if I make sine the subject from here, you realize that this is what we get. Taking this one that side, we shall have 2, then sine squared a is equal to 1 minus cos 2a. This is what we shall get. Here we have a, there we have 2a. Now let us now assume that a this time round is equal to a half, a is equal to a half phi. A is equal to a half phi. So this is what we shall get. Here it will be 2, then sine squared. Where there is a, let's put a half phi, then is equal to this one minus cos. Remember, a is equal to a half, so a half times 2 here, we shall get cos phi, of which if we make this one the subject, we get our sine squared a half phi to be equal to a half into bracket 1 minus cos phi, like that. Okay, so what are we supposed to do now? We have to show that this one equals this, and hence find the exact expression for that one. So we have managed to show this one. So we shall simply say hence shown. Then what are we supposed to do next? We're supposed now to find sine of 15. To find sine of 15 degrees. To find sine of 15 degrees. How do we go about this? So for this particular case here, we can say let a half phi to be equal to this angle 15 degrees. Okay, multiply both sides by 2, we shall have our phi to be equal to phi as phi. This times 2 will be equal to 30 degrees. Now substitute this information into this. This is what we shall get. Okay, we have seen that this a half phi equals 15, and the phi itself equals 30. So let's substitute into this formula. So we shall say sine of squared of 15 degrees will be equal to a half into bracket 1 minus, this will be equal to cos of 30 degrees. Okay, what is sine 15? We're supposed to get with respect to what we have on the right hand side. So we shall have sine squared 15 degrees to be equal to a half, then 1 minus cos of 30. Cos of 30 is root 3 over 2. Cos of 30 is root 3 over 2, which equals working out this one, this gives us 1 over 2 minus square root of 3 over 4. Adding the two fractions, this is what we shall get. Multiplying both by 4. Here we shall have 2, then minus root of 3 divided by 4. It will be like this. So remember, this is sine squared 15 degrees equals that. So what does it tell us? That if you take sine alone, sine 15 as sine 15, we shall have to check the square root, the right hand side. This is 2 minus square root of 3 divided by 4. Okay, the numerator has got roots. So what do? We can write this one as square root of 2 minus root 3, then divide by square root of 4, which gives us a half square root of 2 minus square root of 3. Okay, let's use a calc to get the exact value for this. So here it will be a half, then times 0.517638, of which, working out that one, gives us 0.2588. So therefore sine of 15 degrees is equal to 0.2588. So this is our answer. Thank you for watching. Put your comment and you can follow us on our pages. See you in the next lesson.